Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we are going to be showing you how to make peri peri sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for being here. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Don't forget to go down, hit that description box below, where not only will you find the recipe for this video, but a ton of groovy links. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make peri peri sauce. That's what we're going to make, so let's go down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We are going to start out with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of minced fresh garlic, a half medium red onion, 3 tablespoons of sweet paprika. I got about a half a cup of some roasted peppers, 5 habanero peppers, 1 tablespoon of some red pepper flakes, 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, juice from 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and a bit of teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of black pepper. Let's start mixing it up. All right, we have our tiny little blender, our NutriBullet, since I don't have a blender. But the great thing about this sauce is you can make it as hot as you want by the peppers you put into it. We've got the habaneros. So I'm going to throw the habaneros. I've taken the stem out and I haven't chopped them up and taken the seeds out because I want to leave the seeds in there because I want the heat. You can take the seeds out if you don't want the heat with any of the peppers you decide to use in this. We got our roasted red peppers. You can buy those right in the store. And then I'm going to add most of our bunched up ingredients here. I'm going to add the red wine vinegar and the lemon juice in here just to pulse these up, and then we'll continue adding the rest of our ingredients. I want to make a little bit of room in here and give this onions and peppers a chance to pulse a little bit. Alright, it's definitely got some color. It's got that beautiful red color that it's got. We're going to even make it better with the paprika. And I always like to use the sweet paprika because it just doesn't give it that smokiness that we can find in that funky smoked paprika. Our oil right in there. Got our brown sugar, take a little bit of the edge off. Garlic, give it some great flavor. Red pepper flakes like you throw on your pizza. Right in there, salt and pepper, bring out those flavors in there. A little bit of an oregano to give it an herb touch. Now we're going to just mix this all up. All right, well there it is. Deep, beautiful color. Got a very good fragrance coming off of this. So basically what you want to do here is you want to get this up to a boil or a low boil and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. That's going to bring out all the flavors and also intensify some of that heat that you put in there with those peppers. Alright, well I have got chicken drummy that I got. Basted it while it was cooking with that sauce. I'm going to give it a try. I've got my water all ready to go. Good flavor. Very messy. Taste the heat right off the bat, of course. And it's mostly coming from the seeds that I chose to leave in there. But very good texture, good feel. That sauce is going to stick to anything you make it. You can thin it out to make it thinner. I bought some out in South Dakota this summer. It was in a bottle with a rhino on it, and it was like hot sauce. You just poured it right out and it would go everywhere. But this is pretty thick. You can see the viscosity in that. It's not coming out. It's very thick. It's going to stick and adhere to anything you put it on. Don't forget, if you do bottle it up, make sure it is cool, at least down to 40 degrees, 45. before you put the lid on it and put it in there, regardless if it's a bottle or Tupperware or whatever. Always make sure it's cooled off properly before you store it in your fridge. It will last about 2 months. It's got vinegar and it's got salt in there, so it's going to be a good preservative if it lasts that long. Again, we made peri peri sauce. This is a South African sauce. It went all over the world, of course, with the missionaries and the traders and the explorers. So this is everywhere. You're going to find it in the Philippines, of course, over here in America. This is like the sriracha of our time now. Sriracha had its turn. Now I think this is going to be the next big thing. All right, well, thanks a lot for watching. We made peri peri sauce. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to like the video, and then, of course, share it with everybody you know. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.